Hello, I have a desk full of scraps, printables and stickers, and the theme is sunflowers. Let's see if I can turn this bundle into some pretty ATCs. Before I start putting the ATCs together, I thought I'd share what I've pulled out of my stash. So I've got various different types of backgrounds. I've got patterned paper and eyes ink pigment inks on acetate. I've got book pages, I've got plenty of different stickers, and I've got some printables from Gecko Girls. And I have these 3 stamp sets, this one by Studio Light, and it's part of the Beauty of Fall collection. This one by Paper Artsy, which was from Jo Firth Young, and it's Joyful 51. And this free stamp set that came with a magazine called the Cafe Riviera collection. It's to be obvious that my ATCs are part of a collection, but I don't want them identical, so I need to keep them cohesive. I've pulled this stencil from my stash. It's by Studio Light. It's part of their grunge collection, and I'll be using it with the mixed media art cream paste from Stamperia. Next, I'm going to add some of this Seth Apter Eyes Ink dye spray. This is in the butterscotch. Now, I assume it's going to dry up a little bit lighter than that, so we will wait to see what it's like once it's dry. Stamp the Beauty of Fall stamp with some VersaFine Clair in Nocturne, and I'm going to add a bit more colour to it because I've stamped it on some scrap paper, but I obviously want there to be more colour. So I've finished colouring it in with my Distress Oxides, and I have, as you'll see, cut it out as a full ATC just because I wanted to be able to show you that it makes actually a really nice ATC, maybe with a quote on. Obviously I'll be cutting part of it out to use on the backgrounds that I've already made. This is the second sunflower I've done. I forgot to show you that I was colouring it in with markers, but that's from this stamp set. And yeah, I've coloured it in with the markers and chopped it in half. And then what I'm going to do is separate some of these petals and add it in just to give it a bit of extra height. So I might add those on some foam pads, but it will at least give it an extra layer. This has been my favourite one to colour. I don't know whether because it's so tight and there's a lot of leaves, or whether it's just because I always really enjoy colouring with the Kuretake, but I'm actually really impressed with how those colours have come out on that one. That's all the sunflower ATCs finished. I've added the stickers onto them. I really like the way the text peeps through this one because it is kind of a transparency. This is definitely my favourite. You'll see that I went around the edges of them with fossilised amber in the Distress Oxide. I think they do look like a collection. I would love to know which one is your favourite. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a like and comment, and consider subscribing if you don't already. Until next time, cheerio.